So I'm with Scott Broomfield, who is the Chief Marketing Officer
Correct.
for Exactly.
Yes.
Can you tell us a little bit about what Exactly does?
Exactly is the global leader in sales incentive compensation and sales performance management delivered in the cloud. What most people don't know is that there's $800 billion spent on sales compensation per year just in the US alone. That is larger, Lorna, than the whole Social Security Administration, whole Department of Defense, and is 3 times larger than all US advertising spend.
Gosh. Wow,
It's
that's
big.
amazing.
It's very big. Most people don't know that.
No,
Yeah.
exactly. So how do you see cloud evolving over the next few years?
Wow, that's a big question. The great thing right now is that it's evolved to this stage over the last 5 years so that now nobody questions whether cloud will actually be here. Cloud is now here. You can see it here at the Oracle Open World itself. Cloud is everywhere. It's really interesting where it evolves. It evolves in terms of integration between apps, both monolithic apps and best-of-breed apps. It evolves in the context of master data management, so that the ability to interoperate the databases works well. It'll evolve into big data and the visualization of big data and the insights that big data can actually engage in. And I also believe it'll evolve from businesses moving away from just looking at software from a company perspective to looking at software from an individual personal perspective, where you can have basically your own setup as an individual and don't necessarily have to lean into the application that is delivered to you because corporate IT says it needs to be delivered to you.
Yeah. So for a business adopting cloud, what would you say are the 3 big things they would gain?
Everybody knows what they are from a speeds and feeds or features and functions perspective, but I think the economics are where we have the biggest advantage. The cloud offers 3 fundamental things that are huge. The first thing is that the time in which you get an application delivered into the market is extremely fast. That means that you get rapid innovation cycles. That means you have agile programming methodologies so that stuff gets out to the consumer quicker. And with all of that, what you end up with is you end up with scale economics. They're fantastic. In other words, it no longer costs you $2 or $3 million to deploy an application. What you now can do is for $20 or $30 a month for the first 5 or 7 or 25 people in your company, you can actually deploy something and try it. So the economics change and the speed and the pace changes.
Perfect. Scott, thanks for joining me today.
Thank you very much. Have a great day.
And
Okay,
you.
thank you.